Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For the people new here, my name is Ishneet Kaur and I am a pro makeup artist. I've recently finished a movie called Apurva. I have even gotten a chance to do Shankar Mahadevan's makeup. I have even done a couple of ad shoots like, your Netflix promo and Amazon promos. Now, I won't take much of your time. Let's get started. Now, in today's video, I wanted to share my thoughts on the Patrick Ta Major Sculpted Bronzer. The one that I will be reviewing, this is in the shade Chiseled. So let's jump right into it. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging. This bronzer duo comes in a stunning compact design that is so sleek and it's just so elegant. It basically just stands out in your makeup collection. Plus, it includes a mirror, making touch-ups on the go super convenient. When you open the product, you'll find both cream and powdered bronzer in them. The cream bronzer has a smooth and a creamy texture that just blends like a dream. Now, it surprisingly is forgiving and it doesn't leave any patchiness behind. First, what I do is I just apply the cream bronzer and then I set it with setting powder. Then on top of that, I will apply the powdered bronzer. This method even prevents any difficulties in like blending and getting that natural and a flawless finish. All your contour and bronzing brushes should be like slanted. Look at this also has a slant, and this is more compact with the bristles and it has a slant, whereas this also has a slant but it's not as compact. This is more easier for powder blending and if you want like a bronzed look, so this is good for that. So the reason why people make this face is you can see where your natural jawline is, and then it's easier, it works as a guideline basically. See, just look at that. So I am making it a little sharp so that you guys can see it on camera. So it's going to be a little up there. Just look at this. The cream bronzer is fantastic. It just effortlessly blends into the skin, giving like a natural and a sun-kissed appearance. The best part is that, it doesn't even disturb the makeup underneath, allowing you to, layer it on without having any issues. Now, I feel like, this shade works well with like, fair to medium skin tones. Alright, so now let's move on. Yeah, I'm going to set it with loose powder and just dab it. So you need to take it on the slant and not the top. You need to take it from the end and just pick up some product and tap off the excess. So see, this goes like this. All right. And then just move your brush in like circular motions to just blend it out. See that? It's already making my face look a little slimmer and chiseled, just like the name. Alright, I'm going to quickly show it to you on how it looks on the nose. I'm just using the powder product. Alright, and there we go. Just marking. Just look at this. It adds so much depth and dimension, and you look so bronzed. The powder is like so fine, making application, blending, everything so easy. Now you can obviously layer this, and this is buildable according to your choice. You can build it up. All right, so this is an absolutely amazing bronzer. Especially when you use both of them together, cream on top of powder, it just lasts you throughout the day. In terms of the price, the Patrick Ta Major Sculpt Bronzer Duo is priced at around 7,000 to 8,000, which of course will seem steep. However, if you're a makeup artist, or if you are someone who values high quality products, or if you're looking for some investment to make in a good quality product, then I feel like this is the product for you, and I feel like this will make a valuable addition to your kit. For personal use, you can definitely opt for this, but depending on your preferences, your needs, and also if you're on a budget, Alternatives like Hoola Bronzer also offer a similar effect at a slightly lower price. So basically, to wrap it up, it is a high quality product. From like its packaging and the convenience of having both powder and cream formulas in like just one compact, it's a must have makeup for like, makeup enthusiasts and professionals, everywhere. Whether you're going for a natural subtle bronzing or you're going for a well chiseled look, this palette has got you covered. Also, I hope that this review was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching.